This is our public speaking workshop weekend. This is a workshop that Tina and I started because we are living in times where we really need to have people speak up and have dialogue and listen.
You might not be the most experienced person in this field, but your connection to your material gives you the gravitas to actually say, I've got something to say about this. I really want to make a shift in what's going on. I don't want this state of affairs to go on any longer if I can help it. And aligning yourself to your own truth.
It's like incredible gratitude because I feel like I saw a piece of me in everyone. Each moment was like a morsel of medicine for me.
Thank you very much. I just think you're an incredible healer. You dropped us deep into things and brought us right up and said, get to work. And I appreciate that.
This is an incredible workshop. I mean, I've been to a lot in my day, and this is the top. It is. We got so much out of it. I'm really blown away. I'll be recommending this to people.
Your throat has started to loosen.
Mm-hmm. You can feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm more volume.
Yeah.
There's a level of support in the program that has so much depth and speaks to your commitment to teaching, really good teaching. It's really inspiring and it allows real, genuine growth.